Be honest. You know that moment at night when you say, just one more scroll. That's the moment that's destroying your future. Every night you make the same mistake. You think you're relaxing. You think you deserve a break. But what you're really doing is trading tomorrow's success for tonight's comfort. Your mornings aren't ruined by alarms. Your mornings are ruined by the person you become at night. Your future collapses in silence, not with big failures, but with small decisions you pretend don't matter. Night is dangerous, not because it's dark, but because nobody is watching you. And that's when the real you shows up, the lazy you, the distracted you, the version of you that wants comfort more than progress. And that version is the one deciding your future right now. Here's the brutal truth. If you can't control yourself at night, you will never control your life in the day. Your discipline isn't tested at 9 a.m. It's tested at 10:30 p.m. when your brain whispers, just one more video. That whisper is your enemy. You don't need a perfect routine. You need control. Do just 3 things before you sleep. 1. Choose your first task for tomorrow. 2. Shut down your digital garbage. 3. Do one thing that builds you.
Not 10 things, not a full routine.
Just one tiny action that says, you run your life, not your impulses. Your future isn't broken. It's just being stolen every night by the weaker version of you. And tonight, that version will show up again. It always does. The question is, will you obey it? Or will you finally take your future back?